all of you. Today is 10th September 2024. I will to get blessing of Almighty Allah. We should start the day with the name of Allah. So for Kiran Mishmal is here. Is here. Our actions depends on our intentions. Subhanallah, it's time to start our class presentation. Our topic is animal body parts, animal external body parts. To move and protect themselves. Let's meet them.
Today I am to tell you about King of the Jungle, the lion. Lion are the big cats with golden fur and outdoor lucky men around their neck. They can run very fast and jump their four legs. Thank you.
I will tell you about my feathers and the bird. Yes, I want to tell you about my feathers and the bird. They can fly, they have wings, beaks and feathers. They soar through the air. Thank you. Everyone, today I want to tell you about my favorite animal. Elephants are really big. They have long tongue, big ear, and long tail. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Today I wanted to tell you about my fantastic friend, the fish. Fish live in water. They have scales on their body, and they use fins and tail to swim in the water. Thank you.
I want to tell you about my amazing friend camel. Camel are big and furry animals. They live in desert. They have long neck and thumb on his back and soft padded feet to run and walk easily in the desert. To tell you about my tall friend, the giraffe. Giraffe are very good. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. They have long neck and legs and spotted coats that help them to blend in the trees. Giraffe are very tall. Giraffe is the good runner.
Like a cheetah. Run, like a cheetah. Swing, 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 like a monkey. Swing, 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 like a monkey. Fly, 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 like an eagle. Fly, 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 like an eagle. Paddle, 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 like a turtle. Like a turtle. Animals in action. Animals in action. Animals in action. Animals in action. Let's go. Yeah. Climb, 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 like a squirrel. Climb, 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 like a squirrel. Waddle, 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 like a duck. Waddle, 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 like a duck. Hop, 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 like a gorilla. Hop, 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 like a gorilla. Stomp, 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 like an elephant. Stomp, 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 like an elephant. Animals in action. Animals in action. Animals in action. Animals in action. Let's go. In the sky, on the ground, in the water, all around.
connected.
So this wonderful presentation has given by grade 2A student prepared by Ms. Solia Qureshi, and Ms. Nadra also helped to just make the props. So give a huge round of applause for them. This much applause, like no clapping. Clapping, energetic clapping. Yes, thank you. Now it's time to announce you about the today's election campaign. That campaign is over right now, and now today there is election, student council election, and primary stream. I'm addressing you that you people will be here after the break, and inshallah we have the election here. So those who are your favorite candidate, you will just give the vote to them, and let's see who will rule the world. So just it's the time to just proceed toward the national anthem. Over to Miss Askia.